vlog. My name is Miss Expensive / Miss Rich, anything you wanna call me. If it's on Kalahani, forget about it because you never will. Sharp, ne? Sharp. So today is the 20th of April 2025. Before I proceed with anything here, I'm going to take you guys back to yesterday, to what happened yesterday. So here's what happened yesterday. I'm currently at Value and I don't know which bag to purchase. There's this like black bag and it's so cute, guys. Like, it's black, it's for me because it's men washing. And then there's this white one. Like, I really want the white one because I don't have anything white, and I know my mom's going to complain about the white thingy, but I want both of the bags and I'll just buy the white one and then I'll ask my partner to get me the black one. This bag, this one, it looks so cute. I'm not a bag person, but what the hell, like, guys, look at these bags. These bags are banging hard. I'm so excited. I got everything I wanted. Remember, I said that I couldn't get everything I wanted because my money was not balancing. But ngoba ngiyiboza, ngiyinja, ngiyi-big dog, ngiyi-how. As you saw from the vlog, I purchased everything I wanted to purchase on my previous vlog. How? I'm so excited. I am more than excited. Being excited is an understatement. I owe you guys an unboxing. I owe you guys an unboxing and a haul of what I bought yesterday. So this is what I'm here to do, baby. So I'm going to start with the accessories that I got. I first went to Lovisa and I got these earrings. I don't know if you guys can see them, but they're very cutesy and very small for the price that I got them. They were like 240. 240. I'm a price of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're like 6 pairs. I don't know where this pair went. And at the market 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 days. You could get this for 80 rand. I would have saved 210, but I chose to buy them because they are quality and they go well with my ears. They don't burn, they don't, I don't know. I know that you guys get me, but I got these. I saw it. Thank you, mom. That's a shy kung fu. But I got these volcano headsets from Game. They were like 250. So I want to buy. I can ruin the box now. Yeah, I think I can. Oh, I'm just a girl. Whoop. Okay. I'm so sorry. I'm just going to ruin the box. Okay. Whoop. This is how it looks inside. Hey, mutomyam. Okay, this is how they come out looking like. Oh, I love them. They are so pretty. They're so pretty, guys. What's inside here? You can check. Oh my god. I like that. Hide. Okay. can't hear you. And then, what's inside the box? Inside the box, we've got these. I guess it's just instruction. Yeah, it's an instruction manual. Yeah. Sharp. It's not like we use those things, we don't. And then we've got these. Oh, I think this is a charger. And then kiosk, I think. I don't know. Yeah. We have value.com. You know me, if you know me, you know who I like shopping at Value because they've got everything. Let me tell you something about Value. Value is like Shein. Value is like Shein. Repeat. Value is like Shein. Let's go. Value is like Shein. Let's go. Value. Okay, Mara, almost everything that's at Shein, Value has it. Except for clothes. I've never seen clothes at Value. Or is it because I've never run around that? Yeah. But from Value, I got this. Remember, I told you that I wanted a bag because the reason I wanted a bag. Mrs. Listen said because the reason doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. Okay, the reason I wanted a bag is because every time I go to somewhere serious, I have to put my phone in the guava. Imagine. Ever. Even yesterday when I went shopping, I had a lot of cash and I had to put it behind my phone case. My phone was dumbile. It was like this. Battery, but it was just money. So I really needed a bag. Like I really, really needed a bag. So I got this bag. It's so pretty. Like me. So this is the bag. This is how it looks. Very demure, very cute, very nice. And this is how it looks inside. Oh, nothing else is in here. Oh, we've got this. We've got a chain. I probably use this as a necklace. Guys, I don't even wear necklaces. This is how it looks inside. Ah, it's very cute. I could just put my phone, my card, but my portrait. Ooh, that's portrait. Hey, my tripod. But it makes sense. My portrait. My portrait. Portrait wouldn't like fit inside here. It's too big. I'm still going to give you an unboxing in the haul of my portrait. Yeah, I love it. I love it down. I love it so much. I've never owned a bag. So, second bag. I got two bags from Value, guys. They're so pretty. I like this one. I also wanted the black one, but guess what? My partner just has to get me that one. And this is what's inside. These things are so unnecessary. Yes. Oh, unnecessarily. And this is how it looks inside. Very cutesy, very demure, very wonderful, very wow. And then is that all from Value? Oh, I also got these. They're very cheap, yes, from ShopRite. They're 15 rand, and then the ShopRite like 40 rand. I'm just like, very good. Yeah, I also got this from Value because I need to decorate my study space. And I also got earbuds. And I also got my mama journal, another journal. I also got my mama journal from Value. Oh, it's very far away. I can't go and take it. Yeah. I got this as Pep. Guys, firstly, I got this tissue oil from LA Lab. LA Lab, yeah. I got this tissue oil from LA Lab. I don't remember the prices for these. And then I got a tissue spray. Tissue spray. It also bought daily face moisturizer, and the tissue oil soap bar. I'm so excited to try these out. I just want to see how they react to my body and to my skin. And I also got the tissue oil body lotion. Very cutesy, very demure, very nice. I don't know why I'm shouting, but I'm shouting because I think my speaker is ruined. And then I got the body wash. Very cutesy, very demure. And then I got the refreshing face wash with scrub. How cute! I just like how they look. They're all just pink. And then I got the tissue oil roll on. Very cute. And yeah, I guess that's all from Pep. And last but not least, we have my biggest purchase of the year. This is my biggest purchase of the year so far. Guys, I'm so excited about this baby right here. I'm so excited. I am more than excited. Being excited is an understatement. I love. Thanks to my daughter, thanks to my daddy, because I am daddy's girl. So I got this laptop from Cash Converters. This is how it looks from the back before we open it, and this is how it looks from the front. Very cute, very demure. And don't mind this here, there was a prize here and I took it out because I don't know what. Hey, isn't this? I don't want you guys to know the prize, because if you know the prize, no. Yeah, I like it so much. And da 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 da. Voila. This is how it looks. This is the screen. This. Child. Tell me you can't see this. I can already see myself sitting down in my office going like, yes, coffee please. 2. Thank you. Oh my gosh, it's got such a headache. So to go home. What? If you don't like weird people, I say you can skip. I'm very weird and very cute and very beautiful. Thank you so much for watching my haul. I guess I'm going to see you guys later on today or tomorrow. I don't know. But this is the end of our haul and unboxing. Oh, I forgot to show you guys the charger. This is the charger and this is how it looks. Here there's the price. Put your price up, guys. So I can't show you the price. I can't wait. Like, I literally can't wait to use everything that I bought. I'm so excited. Oh, the haul hasn't ended. I need to show you guys my tripod. I need to give you guys a haul with my tripod. So yeah, let me give you guys a haul. Is it a haul and unboxing? I don't know, but let me show you guys the tripod that I bought. I'm currently using it now. Slick. So this is my tripod. It's very tall. It's even taller than me. This is the remote that I connect to my Bluetooth. This is where I press to shoot. This is where I press to take a video. Very cutesy, very demure. And I can do this. Turn this up. Open here and here. Then I put my phone in between here. This is the stand. Oh, I can't show you guys clearly because, oh yeah, I can't, but it's very tall, very tall. I'm currently using my tripod right now as a stand. from ShopRite and to also get my other phone fixed because I fixed the other one yesterday. If you didn't know, both of my phones were cracked. Yeah, and that was very bad. The cracks was very bad. They both had ink, so I really had to like fix them fast and quick before they get more ruined. So at ShopRite, I got this smell. The rice is 7.42 and the chicken liver it's 9 rand 89 cents. And then at the cafe, I went to print out these. These two are for school, for reading aloud, yeah. And then I also went to print out these to decorate my study space. But Esana, one page is 15 rand. This is like 15 rand. So both of these are 80 rand. Does that make sense? To me, it doesn't. Like, ugh. And then at ShopRite, I also got granola. I can't wait to try it out. This will be my everyday breakfast at school because every time when I go to school I don't get time to like make breakfast. And then I've also got these. This is for Lihle, Patient, and Guaido. I love them now. That's why I'm getting these. I would have got them something much bigger and better, but Health Zaga is just not there. And then I also got these for my baking business because I'm back in business, baby. I'm back. Yeah, and then I also got the flour. So you guys are going to definitely bake with me. And then I also got sausages for school tomorrow. So I have to make my lunch box and then also bake so that I can sell. And then I also got yogurt to go with my granola. Lastly, I got this baby. This is my favorite chocolate so far since I'm on a diet and I'm trying to lose some fat because I want to look hot in summer. Yeah, I love this sound. This is the only chocolate I can eat apparently because the other chocolates are not good for me. So I'll talk to you guys when we are doing my scuff tea / lunchbox and baking.